Hi everyone. Today I want to discuss about sinking and sourcing current. So, um, the sink and source. These terms are used to define the flow of the direct current to the any electric circuit. So here, uh, the sinking the sinking of the input or output circuit, the sinking of the input or output circuit provides path to the path to ground for the electric circuit. The sourcing current of input or output in the circuit, it provides voltage source for the electric circuit. So this is the simple circuits of the sinking current and sourcing current. So this is the device. This device, the 5 volts supply is applied to the device, and the load is the external load is connected to the electric circuit. So this is the ground. Here the current is flows out of the device. So this is called source current. Okay. So next, this is this circuit, this sample circuit is sinking current. So here device means electric circuit, and here 5 volts the power supply is 5 volts supply is applied to the device, and this is the external load. Here the current is directly flows into the device. So this is the sinking current. um, in sinking and sourcing current, the mainly we need three components: voltage source, ground, and load. So these three components are mainly used in sinking and sourcing current of the circuit, designing of the circuit. So this is the output, this sinking digital output circuit. This is the sourcing digital output circuit. In sinking digital output circuit, this is the NPN transistor, and here we applied 24 volts. We applied to the circuit 24 volts, and here this is the load. In this circuit diagram, the sourcing digital input is connected to the sinking digital input. In this circuit, in this circuit, the load is pulled because the sinking digital circuit, the input is provided. So this is the finally we get output from the sinking digital output. So um, this is the sourcing digital output circuit. So in this circuit, this is the NPN transistor we used in this circuit diagram. NPN transistor there, and this is load. Here also 24 volts are applied to in this entire circuit. Here the sinking digital input is connected to the sourcing digital output. So in this circuit diagram, the load is the load is pulled because the sourcing digital circuit, the sinking the sourcing digital circuit, the input is provided to the sourcing digital circuit. So finally we get the result from the sourcing digital output. So this is the we get output from sourcing digital output. So in sync current and source current, these three circuits are working with input and output pairs. So the input and output pairs are digital source output and digital sync input, digital sync output, and digital source input. So these two pairs are working in these two pairs are working in the sync current and source current. So this is about the syncing and sourcing current. So next topic is explained in another video. So thank you.